So in this video, you'll learn how you can remove the shortcuts from the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to access the lock screen editor, and you can do this by long pressing on your lock screen and then entering in your PIN, password, pattern using your Face ID or fingerprint to unlock your tablet. And once you've done that, it will bring you to the lock screen editor. Alternatively, if you've already unlocked your tablet, you can always just navigate to the Settings app, and then under Settings, you're going to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. So look for Lock Screen and tap on it. And then from here, you're going to find Edit Lock Screen and you're going to select that. Next, you should be brought to the lock screen editor. So what you're going to do to remove them is to simply select a shortcut and then select the option None under the Actions section. Do the same thing on the other end, just select No App or No Action, and then you can see the shortcuts disappearing. Once they've disappeared, you're then going to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And now, whenever you glance at the lock screen of your tablet, you'll notice that the shortcuts have been successfully removed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.